Hello everyone. Today is Thursday, June 29th. It's 4:08 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The market's closed about 8 minutes ago. On my left is the time and sales. You can see the EMini S&P trading at 2419.50. It was a wild ride today in the financial indices. Before I continue, first the required disclaimer. Okay, quite a lot of volatility today. The market made a high at 2440 approximately and sold off all the way down to the low tick you can see here at 2402. So quite a large range today. We had some great performance on the auto trader, particularly in the EMini S&P. This is just a regular 2500 tick chart with our line break algorithm, and it looks like we had 3 trades here. We had actually 4 trades. There was a small loser here that drew down about $250, and then we had a winner, and then a small loser here, and then a pretty solid winner here towards the end, catching that push down to the lows. And this did 1487.50. I believe it hit its goal of 1500, and it did. So this one hit its goal of 1500 today, trading only 2 contracts. Just want to point out that the indicators today did fantastic. These are the indicator signals. The bars turn red and then turning blue again here. And then, of course, here's the corresponding line break signals a little bit earlier. But the BWT precision indicators performed excellent today as well. Okay, next up is the EMini S&P on a 987 tick line break, and this had a little bit of a hard time getting going in the first hour up and down, and then after the first hour trading, we caught these 2 nice trades. Once again, this push down. This wasn't the push into the lows, but anyway, it did 1075 for the day, pretty respectable. Okay, the EMini S&P on a 2500 tick line break caught 3 trades back to back, and ended up doing 1025 for the day. You can see we didn't take any heat on any of these trades, and probably on this one we have a goal of 1000, and indeed we do. So this one hit its goal on 2 contracts. Okay, next up is the bonds on the Superenco 2 tick, and this setup here is configured with relatively small profit targets. Just 3 and 4 ticks is what I have here on 2 contracts. So one off at 3 ticks and one off at 4 ticks. This is pretty conservative setting in the bonds, really short targets. And you can see here we had a small loser and then 3 or 4 winners in a row. 4 winners actually, 1, 2, 3, 4, where we made our 3 or 4 tick target, and that can add up to $800 for the day. Really, really good for a conservative setup. Okay, the EMini S&P on a 5,000 tick line break started off with a nice winner. This is trading 3 contracts, and then we had a loser here that drew us almost back to break even, and then a pretty solid winner here, and I believe that was it, 1225. So I'm guessing our goal here is 1200, and indeed it is. So this one actually hit its goal, trading 3 contracts. Okay, this is a chart that I am very impressed with personally, and that is this 3 range chart. I only have a $500 profit target, and we drew down about 500 or 600 on this, but we gained it all back plus enough to hit our goal. And you can see the trades here. This is trading 3 contracts. And so pretty nice performance here. Okay, next up is the crude oil on a Superenco 6 tick with our line break algorithm. We had some small losers in the beginning, and then after the noon hour, we had a string of winning trades, and that brought us up to 540 for the day. Okay, the crude oil on a 500 tick line break chart did pretty well today. But first, we drew down. We had 3 losers in a row here, and that drew us down about $500. But then we came back with 4 winners in a row. Actually, 5. We had 5 winners in a row here, including this stellar long trade and a really solid short trade after that. That brought us to 860 for the day. This is trading 2 contracts. Okay, we saw some activity in the gold, respectable gain of 490 on 3 trades. We had a winner and then a loser, which gave most of it back, and then another winner to finish at a respectable 490 for the day. Okay, that's it for today's video. If you'd like to find out more, please visit our website or contact me at systems@bluewavetrading.com. Thanks for watching today.